No fucking water. No fucking water for like 5 years, and now I'm hydroplaning if I try and go above fucking 50 miles an hour. I swear to God. This is stupid. I hate this. I hate this guy more though. I hope you spin out and die. For fuck's sake. I'm fucking surfing in a car. That's what this is. And these asshats around me are going 60, 70. This guy right here is gonna crash like any second now. Especially when he gets up about a quarter mile further and there's this giant puddle that forms in the far left lane. So looking forward to that. I think I'm just gonna have to slow down even further. Like, we don't have real winter here. We're not prepared for this. If it snowed, people would fucking die. We'd just curl up in a ball and just die. I can guarantee it.